Your Google TV just got a free upgrade that smart home fans will love. Welcome to GadInsider. Let's explore the new home panel feature. Control lights, cameras, and doorbells right from your TV. The home panel is rolling out to Google TV and Chromecast, even older ones. Want to see how? Stick around. After months of testing, Google's home panel feature is now live on Google TV and Chromecast devices, including discontinued models like the 2020 Chromecast and Hisense TVs. First launched with the Google TV streamer in 2024, it's now hitting older devices via a quiet software update that started this week, May 2025. Posts on X and reports from Android Central confirm users are controlling smart home devices directly from their TVs. No new hardware needed. The home panel turns your TV into Smart Home Hub. Access it on the right side of your Google TV to control Google Home compatible devices like smart lights, thermostats, speakers, video doorbells, and security cameras. Get real-time notifications, like when someone rings your Nest doorbell, just like on Apple's TV OS or Amazon's Fire OS. It's seamless. Dim your lights or check your camera feed without leaving the couch. To use it, your Google TV or Chromecast needs the latest software update. A pop-up will guide you to set up the home panel when you power on, but only if your Google account is linked to Google Home devices. No smart devices? You might not see the prompt. It's not available on kids' profiles, and the account on your TV must match your Google Home account. Even discontinued Chromecasts are supported, showing Google's keeping older devices alive. This free update makes your TV a command center for your smart home, saving you from juggling apps or phones. Is the home panel a must-have for you, or are you sticking to your phone for smart home control? Share your thoughts in the comments. Have you tried it on your Chromecast yet? That's the scoop on Google TV's awesome home panel upgrade. If you're excited to control your smart home from your TV, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech updates.